Today we got our 2020 Jeep Gladiator here. We're going to install this Oedro front bumper and winch mount that we got on Amazon for about 340 bucks. Take you through the process on how to install it. So to take this bumper off, you're going to need to remove 8 bolts. Back in here, there's 2 of them there. 2 of them there. Same thing on the other side. And the light that we already unplugged. For reference, this is what it looks like on our new bumper. Alright, to remove these, we're going to use an 18mm deep well socket, the swivel, and our impactor. I switched it. Alright, now she should come right off. Here you go. Yeah, buddy. Brand new bumper for sale.
Oh, see how those toe brackets, they go all the way down here? These things?
Oh, yeah.
Cool.
We took these brackets right here off. Just made it a little easier. It's optional, you don't have to, you can just take off those 8 bolts, so we're going to put them back on now. They go here, here, and same on that side. Bumper on, slides through these holes right here.
I can't see. There we go.
Go up. There we go.
Alright.
We just got to put our nuts back on. So we got our new hardware here. You don't want to go your flat one, your lock washer, and then your nut. You just do that for all these, all 8 of them. Alright, those were the inside ones. Now just do the same thing on the other side, and you'll be done putting on your bumper. And next for this kit, we got this piece right here. Just sits on just like that, facing out. It goes in these 2 holes, and it's threaded on the bottom. So you just got to put your 2 bolts in with your washers and lock washers. Alright, well, we're going to put this piece on, but we're going to mount a winch back here, and we don't know if it's going to be in the way, so we're going to leave it off for now. If you are going to put this on, I would definitely recommend doing it before you put the bumper on, because it's kind of tight down there. But you just use these bolts like I mentioned. They're just little Allen heads screwing right under there. And then you also put these on pretty straightforward, just put them through the hole. And that's it for today. Looks pretty tough. It will look a lot tougher with the winch whenever it's pulling itself out of some sticky situations. So catch you on the next one on Mo Rippin', boys.
I like that.
Alright, so just to follow up, we did put this big old super winch on, but it doesn't have the cable on yet, so we still need to do that. This kit also came with a bracket for some rollers, so we got those on. And this bracket right here we ended up putting on, and it's going to be a light bar mount. So I believe that you can either mount it underneath, or what we might do is mount it on top. We're not sure yet, but I know underneath it is adjustable from like up to 24 inches, I believe, so you can have a little light bar there. Overall, looks pretty tough. Really like the look. Definitely an upgrade over the stock bumper. Let me know what you guys think. I will link this kit down in the description where you can buy it on Amazon. Thanks for watching.